Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet these strawberry earrings. If you're new to my channel, I'm sharing crocheting ideas every week. Please subscribe and turn on notification. Now let's begin. These are materials we will be using. Firstly, we will find the red yarn and make a double knot. Then we insert the hook. I usually hold the yarn with my left hand, in this way. Now we will work 6 single crochet in the circle. This first one is not a single crochet. One, two, three. Now we have 6 single crochet, then we will close this circle. So we will firstly find the tail. Then we pull over the tail. And we will notice this yarn is becoming shorter, so we will pull over this shortened yarn. And make it as tight as possible. Then we pull over the tail again to close the circle. In this way, the circle is super tight. So here we can cut off the tail. Now we will close this first round. Every time we close a round, we will do the same. We will find our first stitch and work a slip stitch. Here a little trick is we can pull through this yarn to make the slip stitch invisible, because in the future we won't work here. Now we will start round 2. Every time we start a new round, we will work a chain stitch as the turning chain, and we don't count this as a stitch. So in round 2 we will do increase. In the first space, we will work 1 single crochet. Then we will do an increase in the next space. And we will repeat this 3 times. So 1 single crochet and 1 increase. And we will repeat 3 times. By the end of this round, we will have 9 single crochet. Now we come to the end of round 2, so we still find the first stitch and work a slip stitch to close the round. Again, we will chain 1 to start round 3. In round 3, in every 3 stitches, we will do 2 single crochet and 1 increase, and we will repeat 3 times. 2 single crochet. Then in the third space we will do an increase. And we will repeat 3 times. By end of this round, we will have 12 stitches. Now we finish round 3. Round 4 and round 5 are following similar patterns. You can pause here to finish. Now we finish round 5 and we will do round 6. In round 6, we will do the increase in different position. As we can see, in the previous 5 rounds, every time we do increase, we increase here. So the shape is kind of like a triangle. Now we will do increase, kind of in the between, to make the shape as round as possible. So we still chain 1 as the turning chain and don't count this as a stitch. Then we will do 2 single crochet in the first 2 spaces. 1, 2, then we will do an increase. Then for the rest of round 6, we're following a similar pattern, which means we do 5 single crochet and then 1 increase and repeat 2 times. Now we have 3 single crochet left. We will continue to finish this round. Now we finish round 6 and we will do round 7. In round 7, we still do an increase in every 7th space. And in round 8, we will do single crochet in each space. You can now pause here to finish. Now we finish round 8, which means we finished all the increase. From round 9, we will do decrease. So every time start a new round, we do a turning chain and don't count this as a stitch. In round 9, in every 3rd and 4th space, we will do a decrease. So we will do one single crochet, 2 single crochet, then we will do the decrease. This time the decrease is slightly different, so we will only work in half side of each stitch and insert the hook. Then we yarn over. And yarn over. In this way, this decrease is invisible, so I will do this again. We'll do 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, then decrease. We yarn over 2 and yarn over 2. And we will repeat this 6 times. Here we finish round 9 and we will do round 10. In round 10 we still do decrease. So we still chain 1. In round 10, in every 2nd and 3rd space, we will do a decrease. And we will repeat 6 times. Now we finish round 10. Before moving to the next round, we will stop here to put in some fillings. Here, try to put as much as filling as possible. Now we will do the last round, round 11. In round 11, we will do 6 decrease to close this shape. Still, we chain 1 as a turning chain and don't count this as a stitch. And in this round, we do 6 decrease. When do decrease, we still just work in half side of each stitch. We still yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And we repeat 6 times. Now we come to the last round. We still do a slip stitch through the first stitch, and then cut off the yarn. Now we finished the strawberry part. Before moving on, we need to have the tail. Now we will change to green yarn to work the leaves. So we still do a double circle on our finger. Then we will do 5 single crochet in the circle. Still, the first one is not a single crochet. One, two. Now we have 5 single crochet in the circle. Then we close the round. Now we will work the leaves. First day we will chain 5. Then we find the second chain from the hook and work a slip stitch. Then another slip stitch in the next space. Then a single crochet in the third space. Finally, a half double crochet in the last space. Now we get a small triangle. Then we find the second space in the circle and work a slip stitch. So here is our first leaf, and we will repeat this 5 times. Now I will do this again. Chain 5, find the second space from the hook and work a slip stitch. Another slip stitch. Then a single crochet. Finally, a half double crochet. Then a slip stitch into the next space in the circle. Second leaf. Now we finished the leaves. Finally, we will work a slip stitch through the first space and done.